Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. And if you want to claim Avios point on Qatar Airways, then this video is for you. First, you just need to open the QatarAirways.com, the website, the official website for Qatar Airways. Then from here, you just need to log into your account, and then in this privilege club, you will find this clicked section where you will find this claim missing Avios. So you can just click on it, and in this page you can find two different options that you can claim your Avios by with this flight with Qatar Airways or flight with a partner airlines. The partner airlines means this all of these partner airlines that are eligible to get the Avios points you can just claim from, like this. All of these are the partner airlines here, so you can just choose, and you are eligible to collect this Avios point from this flight. Or if you want to claim your Avios by the Qatar Airways, then you can just click on this claim my Avios, and from here you will find some instruction, and in this section you can just enter the membership name. Here it is. Now if you have multiple membership, then you can find that list here, then you can just choose them. Now you have to enter that passenger ticket number. Right now I don't have any flight, that's why I can just show you the practically all of this how it looks like. But you can just easily enter your passenger ticket number here, like this. I'm going to enter some random number here. Now you can just click on this retry flight, and it will just load for a short, and you will get your Avios point that may look like this, that the passenger ticket number. You can just enter that ticket number from your tickets. Here the number is. Now you can just enter the ticket number, and you will get the Avios point if it's claimed. So you can get this information from here in this history tab. You can find it. Or if you want to claim your Avios from a partner flight, then you can just go to the claim on partners. Now tap on contact us, and from here you can just enter a file. From here you can just select the file, like the ticket of that you have made from the partner airlines. Now you just need to select the service area, like missing Avios, and the service sub area, like claim for a partner flight here, and classification, that complaint or request. If you want to complain about it anything, or then you can go with this complaint. Or if you have any request about that Avios point, then tap on this request here. So then after that you just need to enter the file or ticket file here. That could be the JPG, PNG, PDF, or JPEG, or doc file. It could be anything. After that you can just enter some text, like I want to claim my Avios from the partner flight name, and you can just enter the name of that flight actually. Then you can just tap on send message, and they will get to you after certain times. So in probably in 24 hours. So that's how you can just easily claim the Avios point on Qatar Airways. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.